Confirm booking. Oh my god, I'm getting my hair cut today. Oh my god. Hello, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Natasha. If you've never seen me before, hi. It is currently 12:12. Make a wish. It is the middle of the day. I've barely done anything today and I have a to-do list to complete. So I thought, why not get out of our little rut and get productive? I'm definitely not someone that's like, you need to be productive 100% of the time, because absolutely not. I think those lazy days are super necessary. But once you've had those, you can be a little productive too. So I just wrote down my little to-do list like 5 seconds ago. I made it a little bit cute and I thought it was fun to write it down like physically. A lot of the time I'll have my to-do list like on my computer or whatever, but this time I was like, no, let me like write it down. I haven't really been feeling super creative lately. Like today I was like, I don't even know what video to film. Like I feel like I have lots of stuff to do but nothing to film. So I don't know, I was just like, well, might as well just have a little chill video where we get organized, get going with whatever stuff we have in life. We can do it together. This can be a little motivation boost if you're feeling a little lazy or just don't feel like doing what you actually need to do. This video hopefully can help you get a little boost. Let me actually tell you exactly what it is I'm doing today. Some things are more just like fun stuff, other stuff is just like necessary to do. I have to film a TikTok haul because I did buy a few stuff recently. I mean, go follow me on TikTok to see the actual haul, but let me just quickly show you these jeans that are asymmetrical. So when you button them, the like waist is kind of, I don't know how to show it, but it's like it goes down like here, and so it like gives a little V, you know, so you look a little snatched. But these jeans are so cool, so I love them. But yeah, I have a little TikTok haul film. We need to unpack bags, and I've unpacked most of my stuff from my move because I just moved from Sweden back to my parents' house. If you've missed that, watch my cleaning out my closet video. So I do have this little suitcase here. Tidying my room in general, because after unpacking loads of stuff I kind of feel like I just have stuff everywhere. So just tidying and getting stuff off of surfaces and off the floor, and yeah. Then we're gonna do a little trip down to a store. I need to make it thumbnail for this video. I need to edit the video that's coming up this week because I post every single Sunday if you didn't already know that. And then a little fun thing is I'm gonna try and get a hair appointment. I don't think I'll be able to get one for today. So that's the to-do list of today. Okay, this is so random, but I just found my GoPro, so I might use it today. If it works, I literally have no idea. This is a little test run. Also the fisheye, what a vibe. I want a new camera or a new camera lens with a fisheye because I feel like my videos are always so close to my face. What a vibe. I'm literally just showing off my messy room. Back to the regular camera. I don't even know how to get this USB out of here. I feel like I need a little pin or something. But look how tiny this camera is. So cute. This would be so fun if I had a little, I don't know, a little adventure out. Why do I think I have ADHD? Not ADHD, but like, why can I not concentrate on one thing? Like, I'm supposed to do my to-do list, and now, because I found this camera, I'm out here looking for a charger. That was not what I was supposed to do, but I really want to try and film with this afterwards when I go out. I don't even know where I could find a charger. Anyways, let's film a haul for TikTok. Haul time! But like, they're like these asymmetrical moment in the waist. I don't know how to describe it. Because why is putting clothes on and taking them off such a sport? Or like, you just get so warm from it. I'm boiling now. I had to put my hair up and everything. Anyways, wait, we can check that off our to-do list. Where's my pen? Wow, the sun is really like shining today. That's good though. Film TikTok haul, check. Next, let's make a thumbnail because I quite soon want to go to the pet store. Okay, thumbnail. I'm thinking a colorful background is a vibe. maybe here, up a little. Wow, my frame is so crooked. Let's take this off for a second. Little notebook with our to-do list. Doing a thumbnail is so awkward. Like, I just stand there and make faces like. Anyways, thumbnail. Wait, maybe I should be closer. I think I got it. Mad awkward. Make thumbnail, check. There are 2 things on my to-do list that are like time sensitive. 1, get hair appointment, and 2, go to the store. How do I make this not crooked? That's the exact same as before. Enough of me talking. Let's go see where Kayla is. That's the name of my dog. And then let's go to the store. Hello. Come. Oh, she just got a haircut, but it's actually a little bit ugly, but that's okay. It's a little bit ugly, but it's okay. We're gonna go to the little pet store. She doesn't speak English. If I talk to her in English, she literally doesn't understand a single thing. She actually speaks Swedish with a little mix of French and a little mix of made up words. The goal is to find either a yellow or pink leash and collar, or like a little body harness that are matching, like either both pink or either both like a cute baby yellow. But I'm not very sure pet stores have the aesthetic stuff, so if I don't find what I'm looking for, I'm at least gonna just make sure to try some stuff on for her so I know her size, and in the worst case I'll order stuff. So I'm gonna do a little montage now, and I'm gonna try and use my GoPro since I found it and little haul time. Okay, first we have some sweets. We have these sticks. I don't even know what Rancho's sticks. And then we have 2 different beef sticks, which I know she loves, so let's give her a little piece. She's literally sitting right behind me. Let's give a little taste test and see what we think. This is what they look like. It's a literal stick. And then they have, I don't know if you can see, they have this section where you can like cut them off a little bit. Let's give a little taste test for Kayla. See? She almost stole it. See? She just drooled on me. On my thing. Oh my god. Okay, let's try again. Yeah. Nee. Yeah. I think she likes them. Okay, she's obsessed. Anyways, we need to continue on with the haul. So we have the 3-piece set, pink. Let me show you what her stuff was before. So right now, for example, she is wearing this, like, Kayla, can you stop breathing so loud? Cute, but nothing special, you know? Her harness is actually, I think this one's really comfortable for her. It just fits her very weirdly. I'm so sorry about this girl's breathing. She needs to calm down, girl. You need to calm down. But I think it's really like a comfortable one. It's like the K9 harnesses, very good, and then attaches here. And then she had this leash, which is full of these knots everywhere, and they're impossible to take out. But it has this like little stripy pattern and then blue, but like the blues don't match. There's red, like no. So now we have the 3-piece set. We have her new pink collar. Put it on. Oh, I need scissors to take this off, I think. Let's try it on at least. I think I need to make it a bit bigger. Oh my god, it fits perfectly. I want to show everyone your new look. Oh, not the tag. We'll show when everything is on. Next we have the pink harness. Once again, everything is from Hunter, and I'm pretty sure you can find this online. I'll try and link something similar in my description box if I do find it, so you can find stuff for your pet that's cute too. Let's put it on her. Lastly, we have the leash, which is also matching. So one side is just pink, and then the other side is like, it low-key looks a little glittery, I would say. But I think it's also a reflex for when it's nighttime. Slays as a little scarf. So let's put this on her, and then we have a little try-on haul. This one we can put here. And this is the full look. Wow. Fashionable. Look how cute. We're gonna be just like the coolest dog in the street. I did say that getting a hair appointment was time sensitive because I thought I had to call them to like book an appointment and everything. But I saw on their website that I can just figure it all out there. So I just need to pick what I want, pick a time, check, check, check. So they do have time today already. I don't know, I feel nervous about that though. I don't want to get my hair cut. Or should I just do it today? I could literally get a time in like 30 minutes. Wait, should I do that? I mean, low-key, I was thinking of doing it tomorrow, but why wait till tomorrow if I have the time to do it today? Ugh, why am I like nervous? Okay, let's just do it today in 30 minutes. Okay. Confirm booking. Oh my god, I'm getting my hair cut today. What? Okay. Wait, I'm like nervous. Okay, I'm getting my haircut in 30 minutes. So what I have, tidy room and unpack bags. I think I should unpack bags first to then tidy my room. Like that makes more sense. So I guess I'll start on that now. The thing is, like, the bag that I have to unpack is this one right here, right? It's just half of this side. It's a small bag and I don't have too much stuff. But the thing is, I've already packed away some of my bags. When I say pack away, I mean shoved. We need to fix that. But my thoughts are, I have a drawer underneath my bed. I think we put the shoes that we have here downstairs with all of my other shoes, and then on the other side of my bed we have another little drawer which we could also use to put bags. Let me show you the bags that I have. Like my big bag, so I have golden one. This one I love for like winter because of the fluffiness. I have this one, but I don't know if I feel like it looks like a trash bag now. And maybe I should sell it on Vinted or something. Putting my bags like this for now because I don't really have the time to be doing too much because I have a hairdresser's appointment. So I gotta go to that now. I'm not gonna bring my camera, but let's do a little before. Wait, let me take my hair out. Last time I cut my hair was when I lived in Hong Kong and I did like a glow up video. If you haven't watched that, go check it out. But my hair was even longer than what it is now and I cut it and now I feel like I just want to cut it again. But this is the before. We have some curls going on down here. My hair has become very straight at the top, so I think my hair pattern is changing. Say bye to all this hair. See you when my hair is done. Oh my god. Do you see my hair right now? How short is it? But I'm obsessed. My hair keeps going in my face. I'm so obsessed with it. Like, I don't know which side I prefer my hair on. Every time I go to the hairdressers, they always put it to the side. Obviously it's to get more volume because if I put it straight in the middle it's just gonna be flat, but like I'm just not used to it. Anyways, now I'm gonna be touching my hair for the rest of the vlog. I'm gonna be like this for the whole vlog. I don't even know what to do with my hair that keeps going in my face. Anyways, my hair was like here. Oh my god, the hairdresser even let me, she like cut my hair and then braided up the part that she cut and she let me keep it, which is so funny. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. Obviously it's been straightened, they did a little boom boom boom, so after when I wash it and I get it back to curly, it's not gonna look like this. But this low-key makes me want to start straightening my hair every day and doing a little brushing or whatever it's called because it's so pretty and it's probably so easy to take care of. The only thing is this piece that keeps going in my face is irritating me. I was not planning on actually going to the hairdressers today and then I just I just went for it. Okay, well, we still need to keep doing our to-do list still. The biggest thing right now, I literally have 2 things left on my to-do list. Tidy my room, because this is what my bed looks like. And then edit the video that's coming up on Sunday. It's the vlog from I went to Madrid. So it's a little vlog from there. It's coming up right before this video. So make sure to watch it if you haven't already. But yeah, I guess I literally just need to get tidying. Let's go.
When the stars fall out the sky, I try to catch them. When the past fades, my heart will recollect them. Every droplet of your time has my attention. Any worry on your mind, I can deflect them. Baby, tell me your dreams will manifest it. If you wanna run
okay, I know I've been tidying for 0.3 seconds, but I want to put this in my front part of my hair so that it gets more volume, because like the hairdresser, she didn't put like hairspray or anything. So I feel like if I just put this in the front part of my hair and put some hairspray so that it will stay longer. And plus also my mom doesn't even know that I went to the hairdresser today. She has no idea that I cut my hair. Wait, I'm not really sure what I was thinking here. You know what? I'll be back when I'm done with this. Right, this is what I found because I don't have any rolly thingies, so it's just gonna be a brush in my hair for now. We're gonna pretend like that's totally normal. Let's keep cleaning or organizing or tidying or whatever. Last thing on my list is just to edit. So I have the TikToks to edit, the one that I filmed this morning, and the YouTube video that's coming up. No, that's up before this video, but I won't be showing you that. Go watch the video because it's already uploaded, so go and do that. Let me show you my hair that I cut off. This is all of the hair that I cut off before. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna try and see if I can like donate it somewhere or something, because like I'm not gonna keep it, but all of that, crazy. I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And with that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!